everyone, welcome to Gallant IAS. My name is Sibi Joy, and as part of our mains preparation, we've begun a new series known as the essay series. So, in this essay series, we'll be providing videos on how to write essays for the civil services mains examination. So, without any delay, we'll go into what exactly is this essay paper all about, what it is, how we are going to deal with it, and what we are going to say in this. So, we'll be beginning this video from the basics so that even a person who's a beginner will know what exactly are we expected out of the essay paper and what we are going to write. So before going into that, we'll be addressing the 5 main questions with regards to essay. What exactly is the essay? Why should we write, or why we should focus on essay? When we should start writing, when we should start focusing, or when should we write an essay, and where should we write an essay? Should we write it, should we prepare for it during the prelims, should we prepare for it during the mains? What exactly should we prepare? And once all these is clear, when all this is clear, we'll go for the most important question: how are we supposed to write an essay? But before going to how to write an essay, we should know what exactly is an essay, why we should write it, when we should write it, where we should write it, and how we should write it. And all of this we'll be addressing in our essay classes. This is what we are, in this program, this is what we are going to address. We'll begin off by saying what. What exactly do we mean by an essay? An essay is not a report. It is not an official report. It is not an official statement or something. It is just a description, or a description of certain object or a certain something, or of a statement. It is an explanation of a statement from the perspective of the writer. For example, if the topic is on pollution, I should write about pollution from my perspective. And the quality of the essay depends upon how wide, how vast, and how interesting I can make it. So what exactly is an essay? It is about perspective. It is about an explanation or the description of the topic given from the perspective of the writer. Understand that. It is an explanation. It is an explanation or a description from, very important, it should be from the perspective of the writer. So that is what we've dealt with in what exactly is an essay. Why we should write, why should we focus on essay? That is a question many people actually forget to ask. So why should we focus on essay? Like you said, it's just an explanation or description of from my perspective. So whatever I write, I'll get marks for it. No. There should be a focus upon why we should write an essay or why we should prepare for essay, because essay goes for 250 marks. 250 marks in your mains. Okay, in your mains, it's a paper of 250 marks, which is equal to each, and it is equal to GS 1, 2, 3, 4, your optional paper 1 or your optional paper 2. Everything is 250. So you don't have to worry about it. It's for 250. Your question is why we should focus on this 250 marks, because it is very easy to score 150 plus in essay. It's easy to score 150 plus. Easy saying, easy compared to the number of effort you have to put in for GS 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because for GS 1, 2 and 3, you will have to learn so much books. You will have to learn about all these topics. You will have to prepare your current affair. You will have to get all this data and everything. For essay, you don't have to do anything. And even if you put in all this effort for GS 1, 2 and 3, that is for your other main papers of your mains examination, you may get only, maybe if you are really good, you will get 110 or even 120. That's it. 120 plus is the maximum you can get if you write really prepare well. But you can just put in even 1/10 of the effort for essay, you will get more. You will get more. You write a normal essay, you will get 100 plus. You write something standard, you will get 120 plus. You write something really good, you will get 150 plus. So, looking at the number of effort you have to put in, definitely essay is more important because the returns are more high. Essay and ethics combined together, the returns are more high because it is very easy to score something near to 280 or 250 with just 2 papers. Whereas in GS 1, 2, 3, you will have to put in so much hours. Let me give you an example. If you put just 2 hours, you put 20 hours for GS 1 and GS 2, you just have to put 2 hours for essay and ethics. And out of this 2 hours, ethics will take 1.5 hours. You just have to put 30 minutes for your essay. Just 30 minutes. I'm not saying that you have to just study for 30 minutes, but I'm just comparing it and showing it. You just need to put 1/10 of the effort needed. Essay is that easy to prepare. It's that easy to prepare, yet it gives so much returns. So that is why I say we should focus upon why we should study essay, because the mark potential is very high for essay. So we finished that. When should we start preparing for essay? You should start preparing for essay when you start preparing for your mains. That is when you begin your civil services preparation. Because the topics, the subjects that you will be learning under essay is not something you will be learning separate. You will be learning whatever you are learning for your GS 1, 2, 3 under history, geography, polity, economy, international relations, security of India. All of this is relevant to essay because the topics may come from any of these subjects. You just need to know the subject well, you can write an essay. So do you have to start specifically? No. Whatever you are going to write in your essay, you already have learned it as part of your history, geography, polity, economy, environment, science and tech, international relations and security of India. You don't have to learn anything more special for it. You just have to use the knowledge which you have gathered early and then put it inside. So when you should start? You should start it whenever you're starting preparing for your mains preparation. That is for when. Next, where does this paper come? It comes for your mains exam. It doesn't come for your prelims exam. It comes for your mains examination. Another thing you can address under where is, sir, where should I start? Where should I begin? You should begin by getting the basics knowledge. You should begin by starting to write. You should write one essay, get it corrected and get a feedback. In essay, it is very important that you should have mentorship. You should have personalized feedback because each person writes different essays and each person has their own separate feedback. Unlike GS 1, 2 and 3 where the question is clearly defined and you have to write the points under it, essay is a bit more broad. So you can bring in multiple ways of writing. When you bring in multiple ways of writing, to improve that, you have to get a feedback which is tailored for you. You can't take a feedback from another person and give it to you. You need the feedback from yourself. So where should you start writing? Start writing your essays at a place where you will get a personalized feedback because that is very important to get your essay marks high. So these are the major things that I wanted to address initially with regards to essay. Once you are clear on what you should write in an essay, it's an explanation or description of a certain topic. Why? 250 marks, you can easily score 150 plus compared to GS 1, 2 and 3. So definitely that's why you should be focusing on essay. When start preparing as when you begin your mains preparation. That is why you start your essays. Where? Not for your prelims, it's for your mains. Where should you start? You should start by writing. And where should you join? Join any place where there is a personalized mentorship offered. That should be your main aim. Then we'll come to the major topic, which is how. Many people begin with how to write an essay. But unless you know all these 4 points, it is illogical to begin with how. Because unless you know why essay is important, what you should write in an essay, and where, when and where you should write it, It does not matter how well you can write an essay. So now we'll begin with how you should write an essay. That is the portion we'll be focusing more upon in our essay series, like how you can write it, how you can write it better, how you can present it better. All these things we will be mentioning in our essay series. So for any more details, please do contact the institute. With that, we'll be concluding this video. This is CB Joy signing off. Everybody have a nice day. Thank you.